Hey, what's happening, Sneakerheads? How you doing? How you been?
What's happening? What's happening? What's good?
Hey, before we get this video started, you already know, going to smash that thumbs up. You know what we're trying to do.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
In this video, we got boxing. Yes, sir. So
Yes,
just to give a
sir.
little prequel to these shoes already did shock drop. Unfortunately, I was unable to hit on my pair, but you want to open those bad boys up, my brother?
Go on and open them up. Yes, sir. Let's see what we working with.
Drum roll.
So you
Bam.
see it? Yes, sir. You see the flight. So you got the flight, right? Right.
Mm-hmm.
See what we working with right there.
Big boy size 12.
Yeah. Yes, sir. See what? Look at that jump man. Bam. Smell like money, y'all. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh. It ain't my fault. It ain't my fault. It ain't
Dang.
my fault. It ain't my oh. It ain't my fault. You see him? Smell like money, y'all. It ain't my fault. Let me go on. Hold on. Let me go on and get this out the way right quick, y'all. In
So you
hand.
being an OG sneakerhead, I know you had the original ones. So compared to the OGs, if you can remember, what do you think about these, my brother?
What stands out the gate, right out the top, is the toe, right? How they incorporated this gray. That's different right out the gate. That stands out. But what you got here, the eyelids, yeah, I can still see it. Yeah, look at that, boy. Mm-hmm.
Mm.
Yeah, I don't understand what the hype is with the blue. Why they upset with the blue? I'm loving this. I'm loving this. I don't get. Listen, drop us a comment down below if you got a problem with the blue. Hey, if you got hey, if you got the problem with the blue, you got a problem with the shoe. If you got a problem with the blue, you got a problem with the shoe, right?
Yes,
But
sir.
you know, I had these back in '89. So if you like me to compare, my brother, I don't even have words to compare the two, right? But
Mm.
like I said, what stands out top is the gray, how they incorporated the gray, right?
Mhm.
Um, I'm really loving this shoe, man.
Mhm.
If they would have put some thought behind that, they probably would have put a different type of, chain around this, I would think.
Mm.
Yeah, go with something that looked like money, right? Right, that looked like money. But
I think they're just trying to go back to the OGs. I think those are the original Hayden tags that came out in
okay.
'89. So I think that's what it was. But
But
it would have been nice, like they had a blue Hayden tag to match the shoe or something. Yeah, it'd have been a
right?
little bit cooler. But it is what it is, my
And,
brother.
and then too, if Jordan Brand, hey, if you wanted to put some thought behind it, maybe gray laces,
Ooh,
right?
like that.
I
I like
yeah,
that.
I can see. Yeah, I can see it really popping with gray laces. You
Mhm.
know, but overall, it's a clean shoe. I go in more details with it. Um, in a later video, but
Yes, sir.
I I think I'm gonna put these on feet. Hey, check out that video right there. That quick short right there. I'm gonna have these on feet. But yeah, overall, it's a clean shoe. What you think about them?
Oh, I love them. They look so nice. I wish I could see them in hand, but from what I see right now, they look very nice to me. Look very, like you said, a very clean summer shoe. I think they could almost go with almost anything, any outfit. I can see those nice with blue jeans, nice with shorts, whatever you want. So
Yeah,
I think that's
yeah,
good. I like the way you said to make the shoe pop, put them grays in there. I think that'll make it, stand out even more. And I don't
right.
think I've seen anybody do that yet. So you might be a trendsetter.
Oh yeah.
So
And I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. But two, this is not the Tar Heel color. A lot of people
Yes, sir.
was hoping that it would be more of that Tar Heel color, but
Mm-hmm.
I wouldn't even really consider it military blue. I would think military blue. I would think would be a little bit darker, right?
Yeah, me
But
too.
overall, right? I would think military blue is darker. So I don't understand the naming, but clean shoe, very clean shoe, very clean shoe. Yes, sir. Yes,
So
sir.
with that high price point of 215, did they come with any extra laces or anything? Or they
No,
just
sir.
hey
Nope. Hey, they just kept it simple, right?
Jordan Brand just raising the price for no reason, right?
Well, hey, I get it. I get it. If they don't raise them, somebody else will. So I get it. I get it. I ain't mad at them. But hey, I'm glad I got this in the collection. Hey, put them up
Yes, sir.
next to them. Put them next to them Thunders, right?
Put next to them Bread Forest.
True. Yeah. Yeah. Hey, but drop us a comment down below if you rocking these or dropping these. But either way, it's a clean shoe. Very clean shoe. Yes, sir. Hey, and if you guys continue to love content like this, hey, check out that video right there.
And like we say for sure, when you're blessed,
Hey, bless others. Peace.